Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Nasdaq Composite, and if you look at the hourly chart or the current trend of Nasdaq Composite, what you can see here is there is a fall, but it is not as deep as the other indices, probably Dow Jones or S&P 500. So you will rather have a consolidation kind of pattern. It falls down, okay, it falls down very sharply, no doubt about it, but it falls hardly 12%. Okay, so this indeed shows an uh, inherent strength of this particular index. And if you just look the overall chart or the long term trend of Nasdaq Composite, for which the video is already available, you can check it out on my channel. So this index has been an outrank outperformer across indices and across a global financial market. This is one of the strongest indices, and if you believe that there is an upside, then it is one of those which can probably give you far more upside from the current level, irrespective of what people say on the negative side. So here you can see that the stock has recently visited the previous high which the index has made in the month or in the early part of 2000, from where the fall has begun, so 12,085, and it recently touched that level and again falls down. So it is more like a consolidation pattern, or you could see that there is a pattern which is as similar to the alphabet W. Okay, so here we have the trend, and the stock, uh, the index is moving inside or in between this zone. So unless there is a breakout happens, we have to be in between the zone only, and we don't know how long or how far the consolidation will go. So we have to be inside the trend. So for the time being, you will have your support, first support at 11,445, followed by 11,047, then we have 10,827, and your final support or your big support will come at 10,553. But because the stock is trading near to the upper end of the range, so you have your first target at 11,940, followed by 12,085. So unless the stock moves above 12,085 or 12,100 and sustain above 12,100, there will not be any further upside in this particular index. So we will go with the trend. Okay, where there is an upside, we will talk about the upside, because it is trading inside a Nasdaq Composite is trading inside a range. So we are going to discuss about the trend and the range. So let the index decide where it actually wants to go. Okay, and once on the upside, if you are bullish, then obviously you have 11,940 and 12,085 on the upside, and let the stock sustain above 12,100. Then obviously we are going to discuss about the trend which will be on the upside. Also, if you want to consider, you can consider this as your support level, as your immediate support level, which is at 11,700, and after that you can consider 11,445. So because it has taken support at 11,700, you can consider it as your support, with a target or resistance 11,940 and 12,085. So let the price decide where it actually wants to go, whether it wants to make a breakout or it will stay inside this range for a couple of hours, days, weeks, we don't know, because the this particular index has been inside the range for the last 2 months. Okay, and I think there is one more thing which one need to know. I think I miscalculated it, because this is not the low. Okay, the high, so this is the trend. What I told you is about the 2 months of data, but Nasdaq has already crossed. So this was the high of uh, January or February 2000 at 9854, and it has already crossed, and it has overcome all the challenges, and it is one of the strongest data, as I told you. So I mistakenly said that 12,085 was the high of February 2000. So it is not the case. This is the thing, 9,854. So this is the high of February 2000, and the index actually, it's not 12%, the index actually fall by 30, and you can see the sharp recovery in the month of June itself. It crossed June, July, it has crossed that zone, and currently in the past 2 months you can see the consolidation. Okay, so rest of the things will be similar, because since from the highs of September 2020, uh, you can see the Nasdaq Composite is in a consolidation range. So let the price decide how and where it want to go. So if the stock, let the index first sustain above 12,100, then we will decide the trend, or to talk about the trend further on the upside. Till then, this is a consolidation range, and just stay with the range. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.